Hey guys, I just spoke with a for sale by owner and set an appointment. Every for sale by owner you speak with is going to be a little bit different. They're not sitting there just waiting for you to call. A lot of times they're in the middle of something. This lady was at the airport about to board a plane with bad reception. She said a few times, I can't hear you, it's breaking up, whatever. And I know that when you're in a situation like that, it may feel a little bit uncomfortable. I feel a sense of obligation to stay on the phone and set an appointment with every Fsbo that I speak with because I am absolutely confident that working with me is the best decision they can make. And if they sell on their own, which they could, especially in a hot market like this, it's gonna cost them money. Not working with me, they would be making a mistake. And that's the belief that you need to have so you don't give up on these calls. And you have the confidence to take it all the way to the end and show up at these appointments and take these listings. Not only because you want to obviously have a great career, they need your help. Here's the call, and at the end, I'll break down a little bit more of what happened.
Hello.
Hi, is this Deborah?
Yes, it is.
Deborah, this is Jackie. I'm a local real estate agent. I noticed you have your property for sale. Looks like you're selling it by owner, right?
I didn't hear a word you said. You broke
Oh,
up.
I'm sorry. My name is Jackie. I'm a local real estate agent. I notice you're selling your house on your own, right?
That's correct.
Yeah. I decided to give you a quick call, Deborah, because I work with buyers and sellers in the area and just wanted to see how things are working out for you.
So far, it's working out very well.
Okay. So getting activity and potential people interested, I assume.
Way, yeah, way too much. I
Oh,
should have raised the price.
yeah. Well, it's interesting you should say that because obviously, it's a really hot market in South Florida right now. There are plenty of properties
Yeah.
selling way, way, way over asking prices. Have you, if you accepted any offers yet?
Nope.
No.
No.
hmm Deborah, um, if there's a possibility that I can work with you in the sale of this home where you would actually net more money, even after my commission is paid, than if you sold it yourself, is that something you might be interested in finding more about to see if it's something that.
Maybe, but not right at this time because, like I said, I didn't really plan on selling it so quickly.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
So,
So,
because there's nowhere really to go. So that's the
I,
problem with selling your house. You have to go somewhere.
yeah, I know. Yeah. Are you staying here in
Yeah.
South Florida? Y- Are you
You're breaking up. I
are you
can't hear you.
staying are you staying in
I'm
South
in the
Florida?
airport now. I'm getting ready to board a plane. I am doing the showing 6 to 8 on Monday.
Okay.
But other than that, if you bring me a seller, I would work with you. But other than that,
Right.
I'm
So,
just riding the storm until it
right.
crashes.
Quick question, because I know you said the problem is, where you're gonna move to. If you found a buyer that wanted to close in 30 days, would you be able to do that?
No, I don't want to close in 30 days
What kind of time frame
because
would
there's
work
nowhere
for
to go.
you? Yeah. What time frame would work for you ideally?
I don't know. I'd have to know the offer, but the longer the better. I don't know.
One of the
Obviously.
possibilities, Deborah, is to actually finding a buyer and closing and leasing your property back from the buyer. So you could actually stay. Now you have the money in the bank, the property is sold, and you're in a really, really great position to find the other home and you stay in your property. That's a really, really uh, feasible possibility.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, so you're gonna be back in South Florida on Monday.
Yeah, I'm showing it Monday 6 to 8. I have lots and lots of people coming Monday 6 to 8
hmm
p.m. That's the only time I can show.
Yeah. Would you be available for a 20-minute meeting, Deborah, so I can show you the benefits and
No,
how I
I'm
could?
I'm out of town and I won't be back in town till Monday.
Okay, so can we meet on Tuesday? Would that work for you?
Yeah, but I work, so you'd have to give me a call on Tuesday. I work till about 7 o'clock at night on Tuesday.
You get home at 7?
Yes.
Okay, would 8 p.m. work for you on Tuesday? And we could
Yes.
speak on Tuesday and confirm. 8 p.m. Okay, perfect. Yeah, sounds good. I have your address, and I'll send you my information via text and email. And I have you down for Tuesday at 8 p.m. I will show you exactly how I can benefit you in the sale and work it out so you don't have to move right away. Hey guys, now that you've listened to this call, this is a $2.2 million home. Sounds like a very smart lady, very well-spoken. When you're speaking with someone, she has an aggressive way of speaking, and you cannot hesitate. You need to match that, because otherwise she's going to say, oh, this agent doesn't make me feel confident. She had a very common objection in this crazy hot sellers market, which is, well, I'm not in a hurry to sell, quite honestly, because if I sell my house, I have no place to go. Very common. I hear that real estate agents that's becoming a condition for a lot of real estate agents. It's certainly a problem for the sellers that you're speaking with. Your job is to provide solutions. And what I said to her, what if you could negotiate a lease back where you can sell your home, close, put the money in the bank, and stay in your home? This is a seller's market. Sellers have all the leverage. And providing that solution for her, in my opinion, is the reason why she agreed to meet with me, because all of a sudden she wasn't thinking about that, right? She had no idea that that was even a possibility. Now, this lady was at the airport about to board a plane. You heard her say a couple of times, I can't hear you. She didn't have good reception. We set the appointment for 8 p.m. on Tuesday, and then the line got cut off. I texted her. I confirmed the appointment for Tuesday at 8 p.m. She confirmed back $2.2 million listing. You can do the same with the for sale by owners in your market.